when it comes to patch management, as the name suggests, it is about managing patches to cover the vulnerabilities, which are again nothing but gaps in existing configs or security settings across servers and databases, which can be exploited by threat actors, as discussed during the vulnerability management section. Every vendor like Microsoft, Red Hat, Oracle, they will release security updates periodically, which are implemented in servers and databases, and they act like a patch to cover the security gaps. So when you think about the word patch, it's very similar to how a patch is used to cover or repair holes in the masonry work. So it's a very similar concept, but on the security side of the house, where a patch is used to cover the security gaps. Another important point which I've listed here as well is the change management aspect of a patch. So applying a patch on a server or database needs to follow a standard change management process similar to any change implemented impacting a server and database. And due to this close nature of patch management with change management, at times it's from a patch management standpoint, the way it's tested in areas like SOCs, as many of you might know, is the change management side of patches. I've already covered the change management side of patches and other changes related to servers and databases as part of my change management testing videos, which you can find on my channel. However, from an information security ITGC category standpoint, the actual patch management testing is different, and similar to what I did for vulnerability management, I will create videos on how to test patch management from InfoSec standpoint across Windows, Linux, Unix Server, and Oracle and SQL database in detail starting next week.